Dr. Brace Knee Brace is marketed as a supported knee brace that claims to reduce knee pain, improve stability, and help you stay active during daily activities or exercise. The marketing makes it look like a simple solution for knee problems, but the real question is, what doesn't the marketing tell you? Now, to be fair, knee braces are a legitimate product category and can provide support and compression for certain knee conditions when used appropriately. What it does well, provides knee support. The brace can help stabilize the knee during walking, exercise, or everyday activities. Compression may improve comfort. The compression may help some users feel more supported and reduce mild discomfort during movement, where the hype falls apart. It's not a cure for knee pain. A knee brace won't repair damaged ligaments, cartilage, or arthritis. Results vary between users. The amount of relief depends on the cause of the knee pain and how the brace fits. Proper sizing matters. A brace that's too tight or too loose may be uncomfortable or provide less effective support. So, should you buy the Dr. Brace Knee Brace? Short answer, yes, if you're looking for additional knee support. If you have mild knee discomfort or want extra stability during activity, it may be worth considering, but don't expect it to permanently fix underlying knee conditions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.